for the following areas in New York, Orange and Putnam, and the following areas in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex, and Northern New London. Winter storm watch now in effect from Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. Locations: interior portions of southern Connecticut and the lower Hudson Valley. Hazard types: snow, sleet, and freezing rain accumulations. Snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches, along with rounded trays of ice. Winds east 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid-30s. Timing: snow should develop from Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon across the wash area from west to east. The snow will mix with sleet and freezing rain and drain from west to east Wednesday afternoon and evening, then become a mix of mainly rain, freezing rain, and sleet during Wednesday night. The precipitation should change to all rain during Thursday morning. Impacts: the combination of snow, sleet, and freezing rain likely will make travel dangerous from Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts.